Hello everyone. In this video, we will be studying exercise 5.1, second question. So, students, we will be solving exercise 5.1, second question, which says that we need to write first four terms of the AP when A and D are given. Okay, so A and D are given and we have to write the first four terms of AP. So we'll start the solution here. Now, so first four terms. So first term is A1 and A1 is very simple. Whatever they have given, the same thing we need to write. So A1 is 10. Then next we will find A2. A2 how we calculate? A1 plus the D when we will do, we will get A2. So A1 is how much? 10. And D is how much they have given? It is 10. So A2 is how much? A2 is 20. So this is E1, this is E2. Four terms they had said. So now we will find E3. E3 how we find? A2 plus D we have to do. In my introduction video I have explained you this. So if you have not seen that video, you should go first and see the introduction video and then come to this video. Then A2 is how much? A2 is 20 plus D is 10. So 20 plus 10 is 30. Then we will find A4. A3 plus D. A3 is how much? Just now we found out. It is 30 and D is 10. So 30 plus 10 is 40. So the first four terms are what? The first four terms of our AP are 10, 20, 30 and 40. So these are our first four terms. So this is our answer. So now we will see the second sub question in the second question. Now in the second main question, this is the second sub question. Now we will see the answer for this one. So A1 is how much? A1 is minus 2 as it is. Then A2, how we find A2? We do A1 plus D. So A1 is how much? A1 is minus 2. So minus 2 plus D is 0. So D is 0 means just forget the D, minus 2 itself is the answer. So basically we will be getting the same number for all the terms, but we have to calculate and show it. So A2 plus D. A2 is minus 2 again, just you can see here minus 2 plus D. So again A3 is minus 2. Then we will find A4, A3 plus D. A3 is minus 2. Here just now we got the answer. Plus D0. So A4 is also minus 2. So we will write all the four terms. AP is same because the difference is 0. So because the difference is 0, we will get same answer every time. So this is our answer for second sub question. Now we will see the next question on the next page. Now we will see the third sub question. So first we will write A1. A1 is 4. Then we will write A2. For A2 we have to take A1 and we have to add a D in that. So A1 is 4 plus D is plus we will write as it is from the formula, and for D we have minus 3. So we will put that in bracket. Then 4 plus minus will become minus. So 4 minus 3, and 4 minus 3 is what? 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. Then A3. So A2 plus D we have to do. A2 is how much? Just now we got the answer. It is 1 plus D is how much? Minus 3. So 1 plus minus minus. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Okay, bigger number sign. So plus minus, here nothing is there means plus. So plus minus will become minus and the sign we keep of bigger number. So minus 2. Then A4. A3 plus D we have to do. A3 is minus 2 plus D is minus 3. So minus 2 plus minus 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 3. So minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 because minus minus we add and we keep the sign of minus. So minus 5. So here we will write our answer. So the AP is 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. So this is our final answer. Now we'll see the fourth sub question. So here A1 is minus 1. A2 we will do. So A1 plus D we have to do. A1 is minus 1 plus D is 1 by 2. It is fraction. Okay. So here nothing is there in the denominator. It means we nothing is there means 1 is there. There will be always one invisible 1 there. So now we have here one fraction plus another fraction. So how to solve the fractions? We need to, equal the denominator, right? When we are adding or subtracting the fractions, we have to equal the denominators. But here we have one and here we have two. So to equal the denominators, we need to calculate, we need to find LCM. How to find the LCM? I guess you guys might be knowing it. So 1 and 2's LCM is 2. So now here already 2 is there, but we want 2 here because we need to equal to. So how we can get 2 here? What we can multiply in 1 so that we get 2? We have to multiply 2 only here, right? But when we are multiplying 2 in the denominator, also we have to multiply it in the numerator, right? This is the rule of LCM. So here already 2 is there. So we need not multiply anything, right? Because already we have 2 here. So no need to multiply here. Essentially what happens is we multiply 1 into 1 we do, right? When already we have the value of 2 here, then we don't have to multiply anything in this part, right? Now, so minus 1 into 2 will become minus 2 and here 1 into 1 will become 1 and in denominator now here also we have 2, here also we have 2. 1 into 2 is also 2, 2 into 1 is also 2. So no need to write it separately, together one time we can write it like this. Okay, I hope you all know this. So by 10th standard you guys need to know all these things. So minus 2 plus 1 will give us minus 1. So minus plus becomes minus and sign of bigger number, so minus 1 divided by 2. So minus 1 upon 2 is our answer. Now we will find A3. So A3, A2 plus D we have to do. So A2 is minus 1 by 2 plus D is how much? D is 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, essentially they will knock off each other, right? Plus minus plus. So it will become 0. So A4, A3 plus A3 is 0 plus 1 by 2. So 0 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by. So we'll write the values of AP here. Final answer we'll write. So AP is equal to minus 1 by 2 C 1 by 2. So this is our answer. Now we'll see the fifth sub question. So A1 we will write, A1 is the same first value, so minus 1.25. Now we'll write A2, so A1 plus D, A1 is minus 1.25 plus D is minus 0.25. So minus 1.25 plus minus will become minus, so minus 0.25 is equal to minus minus will become plus, and we have to retain minus sign. So minus 1.50 it will be. Now we'll find A3. Minus 1.50 plus minus minus, so 0.25 minus minus will become plus in bigger number sign, so it is minus 1.7. Minus minus will become plus and minus sign we have to keep, so it will become minus 1.75. Before we will see A3 plus B, A3 is minus 1.75 plus D is minus 0.25 minus 1.75 plus minus minus 0.25, and here this will become minus 2 point. So now finally we'll write the values here. So AP is equal to minus 1.25, then minus 1.50, then minus 1.75, then minus 2.0. So this is our answer, guys. And we will do next question in the next video. Thank you very much, guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe the YouTube channel. And for online tuition classes, visit this website. Thank you very much, guys.